Students, warm welcome to all of you. Today is Tuesday. I, Namita, again joined you in your SST class. I hope you all are busy in your online classes, but I know you all are missing your friends, your school, your classrooms, and your teachers also. But you all know that this is the only way to keep us safe. So we all have to study at home. My dear students, today I will show you a slide in which you will come to know the food grains and pulses of India. Introduction: Food grains and pulses. In this module, you will discuss the food grains and pulses that are grown in and consumed in India. See the slide. There are three pictures. In first picture, there conversation between teacher and students. Second picture is political map of India, and third picture is different food, grains and pulses of India. You know, in India, people belong to different region and eat different types of food. See the food grains and pulses from the most essential part of Indian meals. According to slide, see the picture and identify them like wheat, rice, maize, jowar, bajra and important food grains. See the picture of wheat, rice, maize, jowar and bajra. Wheat is mainly grown in northern and central India. See the political map. See the north and central part of India where the wheat are grown. Here is the picture of chapatis. Chapatis are a staple diet of Punjab and people used to make puri, paratha, roti from wheat. See the picture of rice. Rice is mostly grown and consumed in eastern and southern India. See the political map? Part of southern and eastern India. See the boiled form of rice. People either fry or boil it. In eastern region such as idli and dosa from rice. This is the picture of idli and dosa. Come to western part. See the state Rajasthan and Gujarat. In western part of India, such as in the state of Gujarat and Rajasthan, wheat along with other food grain such as jowar, maize and bajra. These crops are consumed and used to make flours to make chapatis and roti also. See the picture of bajra, jowar, maize, kuttu, soybean, etc. in western part of India. This is the flour form of your pulses. Chapatis, puris are made and kept on the plate for you. See the map. You know pulses are also an important part of India. They are consumed all over India. See the picture of pulses on the map. Some are the popular pulses of India are arhar, masoor, moong, urad, also known as dal. See the picture of masoor, moong, urad, arhar. Dal form. People of North India used roti with dal, and Eastern Indian people used to eat rice and dal. And in the southern part of India, sambar is prepared with dal with many vegetables. It is very spicy. Sambar dal is very much liked by the Indian people. Now there is so much varieties consumed in different part of India, and that is because crops. Crops are used for making different items, and they are grown according to land form and climate, which differ from region to region. Now let's recap the chapter. In India, people eat different kinds of food. Food grains and pulses form the most important part of Indian meal. Wheat, rice, maize, jowar, bajra are important food grains of India. Wheat is mainly grown in North India. Rice is grown mostly in Eastern and Southern India. Jowar, maize, bajra, wheat are grown in Western India. Pulses are an important part of Indian meal. They are consumed all over India. Students, now your chapter is finished. According to chapter, I have given little homework to you. You can see the homework. See the slide and show this part of India and write famous crops of that part. Eastern part, southern part, central part and northern part. N is missing by mistake, so please you know it, northern part. Number 2 is draw famous food of India. Draw famous food of India. Only 2 homeworks I have given you. So do it on your political map or sketch it in the map of India on your notebook and do it and write the famous crops of these parts. Again, we will meet on Thursday. Thank you.